Bambage sengvala. Impilo iyafana ne-ATM. Life is like the ATM. Life is like the ATM. You only withdraw what you deposited. Awukwazi ukuya kwi-ATM hambe withdraw imali ongakazange uyifake. Kodwa yonke into oyithola kwi-ATM kusuke kuyimali osuke uyidepositile. Awukwazi ukuvela uphuthume sikubona usuyobamba ama-queue kwi-ATM kanti ayikho imali okuyifakile. Ngoba impilo iyafana ne-ATM. Life is like the ATM. You only withdraw what you deposited. Empilweni mawufuna ukuthandwa qala wena uthanda abantu, they will love you back. Kunabantu abayinkinga abafuna ukuthanda kodwa bona abafuna ukuthanda. Khona abantu abafuna ukusupportwa kodwa they don't want to support other people. Mawufuna ukusupport the black business qala wena usupport amanye amabhizinisi abantu bazosupporta wena, because life is like the ATM. Khona abanye abantu abathi I'm not appreciated kule relationship. Qala wena appreciate upartner wakho, because what goes around comes around, because life is like the ATM. Khona umuntu othi mina I'm never celebrated. Akekho umuntu ongiselebratayo. Qala wena ucelebrate abanye bazokucelebrate nawe. Uthi akekho ngishayela izandla. Qala wena ubashayela izandla nawe bazokushayela izandla, because you withdraw what you deposit, because life is like the ATM. Into oyifakayo iyona into oyitholayo. Mawuhlezi ukriticize abantu njalo nawe bazokriticize, because life is like the ATM. You only withdraw what you deposit. What goes around comes around. Mawugxeka abantu njalo bazogxeka njalo. Mawucomplaina ngabantu njalo bazocomplaina njalo ngawe. Mawucriticize njalo bazocriticize njalo nawe, because life is like the ATM. Ufuna uqala usuku namhlanje wazi ukuthi impilo ifana ne-ATM. Into ozoyideposita kubantu namhlanje emsebenzini yonke ozoyithola futhi kusasa. Into ozoyenza kubantu namhlanje yona ezobuya futhi kuwena, ngoba what goes around comes around. Life is like the ATM. You only withdraw what you deposit. Awukwazi ukufaka 1000 bese expect to withdraw 20000. Uzothola lo 1000 owufakile ngoba yona into oyifakile. Nawe uzothola uthando olingana ngesikalo sangalesi nawe osifakile, ngoba yonke into oyidepositile iyona into ozoyithola. This is the Mega Grace Hour kwivuma 103 FM namo Phumlani Nkwanyana, Monday to Friday 5 to 6 a.m. kwivuma 103 FM. Good morning KZN. Asivala uhlelo ngokuthi siqale kanje bese ke siyavala uhlelo lwethu. Ngibone futhi kusasa phakathi kwa 5 no 6 we Mega Grace Hour kwivuma 103.